Okay, we are live. We are live once again, coming at you guys with another live stream, but on different circumstances because we are looking very, very green. We are looking very green today. Let me know if you're in the chat, whether you can hear me. Let me know about the microphone, whether the audio's good. But yes, we are looking green. The NASDAQ is looking beautiful. Tech is looking gorgeous. Communications looking gorgeous. Communication was doing all right, actually, overall. Consumer cyclicals was doing good. Overall, a pretty green day. Pretty green day. Pretty green day. How are you guys feeling today? How are you guys feeling today? I hope none of you guys panic sold last week. How you doing, King Roll? How you doing, my brother? Blink Invest. How you doing, brother? Femi, how you doing, bro? Rodrigo, how you doing, my brother? Sarah, how you doing? Chet, how you doing, my brother? Green like Earth Day. You don't know. You know what I'm saying? It's looking like Earth Day right now. Green, we love. I mean, I love red days because green days feel extra special. You know, when you're buying in red days and then days like today, when it's green tastes so much better when you've gone through the reds. So how you guys doing? How you, Peter? Pleasure. Cheers, Dit. Welcome, brother. Hey, R&R Properties, Luke, Cosmic, Ivy, Sniper, Femi, how you doing, brother? You, Tom, Michael, Connor. Hey, how are you guys feeling today? I bet you're happy you were buying last week, right? I bet you guys were happy that you were buying last week. And again, I hope none of you guys panic sold and you strengthened your high conviction plays, because I did. And I'm really happy I did. I mean, Nano Dimensions today has been on a rip. Okay, Nano Dimensions went on a rip today. If you saw my video yesterday, I was telling you that Nano Dimensions was at key multi-month support level again, and it just bounced straight off that support level, and it's doing a madness today. So I hope you guys managed to get in on the Nano Dimensions. I don't want to get too carried away because again, tomorrow could come around and the market could become red again. And if Nano Dimensions breaks this support, I am buying. I don't care. I'm buying. So yeah, I hope you guys took advantage of the dips last week over the last 2 weeks, because we are looking very, very tasty. Let me know what you guys bought. Actually, let me know. Type in the chat what you guys bought last week and whether you're happy that you picked them up. So someone said, Michael said you bought TTCF. Yes, Michael. So tomorrow is Tattooed Chef's earnings, and we're going to be live streaming the earnings call for Tattooed Chef tomorrow. So make sure you turn up. Tesla has been on a rip. Okay, so I was nibbling at Tesla, right? And I even told my Discord that where I started nibbling at Tesla last week. Just little nibbles. You know, it was red. It was sub $600. I can't help myself, But my loading zone for Tesla was $500. Like, that's where I said to myself, you know what? If Tesla touches 500, I am loading the boat. Okay. But it doesn't look like we're going to see it. But I'm glad I took a couple of nibbles on Tesla. And it looks like we are headed upwards. So, but yeah, this was my loading zone. This was my plan to really just completely just eat that red, eat that red. But yeah, let me know what you guys bought. Let me see the comments. Yeah, you guys are feeling good. I can see Peter saying he's feeling good. Suleiman feeling good. Connor, yep. Elbow cough. Oh, sorry. Yep. Yeah, but you know what? I love seeing the chats. You guys, yep, Danny Manny Champions League. It's all, everyone seems to be happy. Cop some SFTW has been getting disrespected in the markets. So if you don't know about SFTW, that's, oh my goodness, that is that's Black Sky. I loaded up on these guys, and I mean, at these levels, it's pretty much very little risk at these levels, So it's down. What's it down by? Since its peak, you're looking at, it's down 36%. at these levels, you need to be loading. I've now got my position to, I believe, over 1,000 shares in SFTW. Again, alerted all my Discord members. Let me actually even show you. So yeah, even yesterday, I alerted my Discord members. I said I picked up 50 more shares of SFTW, and I actually apologized for alerting it because I felt like I was spamming because it just kept on going lower and lower and lower, and I just can't. I can't help myself. I kept on buying more, and I just said, I love pessimism and fear because this is, we buy from pessimists and we sell to optimists. Okay, so this right here, all of this right here is pure pessimism at its finest because nothing about Black Sky as a business has changed. It's not warranted this 36% sell-off, in my opinion. And if you want to give me a quality company at a 30% discount, I am eating. Okay, I am not hesitating whatsoever. So yeah, Black Sky, I cop some as well. Nicola, I behave with Nicola. Let's just not even go there. Nicola's up 10% today, right? Nicola's hurting my feelings. Why is Nicola up? Right? Why? Oh, it's up 8% today. I don't know why Nicola's up today, but if you bought some Nicola, then yeah, good on you. Good on you. So added to Palantir, Tesla, Nano Dimensions last week. Quality. Palantir hasn't really done much today. I was expecting a bigger move from Palantir today because pretty much the whole tech was up. So yeah, I mean, yeah, it hasn't really done much today, to be honest. But again, it's a long-term hold for me. Palantir, definitely a long-term hold. Okay, so Chet bought some LKCO dips and it dipped more. Yeah, it keeps on dipping. LKCO. I'm not in LKCO, but it kept on dipping. So Connor bought some Tesla, Apple, Unity. Wow, Connor, you went shopping. Yep. GoPro is looking. I think it had a good recovery today, actually. GoPro, where are we at today? Decent. We're still at key levels for GoPro right now. We're still at key multi-month support levels right there, I would say. Should we bring it up a bit? Yeah, because about that level there. You can see it's touched this level and rebounded. It was resistance before and then became support, broke through, became resistance there, broke through, and it's now support. So I would say GoPro is still in loading zone. If you've done your DD on GoPro, you really want to look at it at within these ranges because, again, incredible earnings. And think about it. People are going to start coming back if people are going to start doing events again. They're going to start doing the snowboarding, the dirt bikes, everything which people use GoPro cameras for is going to start coming back from the midpoint of this year towards the end of the year. And of course, we have the GoPro Hero 6. So the hardware sales is going to be off the chain, in my opinion, towards the second half of the year. And not to even talk about the subscription numbers for GoPro. We absolutely destroyed our subscription numbers. So honestly, I think GoPro will do really well for shareholders. And I think we are currently in loading zone. I can tell you that if you were to start a position in GoPro right now at these levels, you'll have a better average than me. All right. And there's a running joke in my Discord about my timing. But since last week, my timing has improved, I reckon, because AMD, we bought AMD last week and actually on Monday, sorry, not last week. We bought AMD recently, and so far timing seems all right. Okay, timing seems to have improved, and that's because of the video lesson that we did in our Discord. So let me see what you guys. So yeah, let me know what you bought. ACEV and APXT. APXT has been a slow burn. I've owned APXT for a couple of months now, and I mean it's gone nowhere fast. I mean, look, APXT is a quality company, great revenues, probably one of the best SPACs on the market right now. But from a share price point of view, it's done nothing since I've owned it, and I'm starting to consider, opportunity cost because I do have about £10,000 tied up in this company, and it's done nothing. If anything, I'm down on my position. I think my average on APXT was like $13, and I got in around December when it was first announced, and I'm down on my position, you know. So APXT has been a bit of a slow burn. I did not buy anymore. I'm not going to lie. Roblox. So yeah, Roblox IPO. So my nieces, my little nieces, they all play on Roblox. Yeah, Roblox. they love it to bits, and they are rinsing their mom's money. So Roblox IPO, I don't know. I don't know whether Roblox is just a phase. Like, what's the long term potential of Roblox? Because when's IPO? So it's coming. So 10th of March. 10th of March. So oh, it's tomorrow. It's tomorrow. So are you buying the Roblox IPO? Let me know. If you're buying the Roblox IPO tomorrow, let me know in the chat. Let me know. So some of you loaded up on Peter loaded up on Excella. Yeah, I think a few members in the Discord swing trading XLR today. BioL, that's another good play. Palantir. What about Boohoo? Boohoo. You need to see some of my old videos with Boohoo. I'm out of the game. I'm out of the game with Boohoo. Yep. Dead cat bounce. Probably. You know, probably we are looking quite strong. Okay, we are looking quite strong, but it is possible, but that this is a dead cat bounce. Okay, and we could be going lower. And what I'm doing in this circumstance, I didn't buy, apart from AMD, I'm not buying anymore. I'm sitting on my hands. I did a lot of buying over the last 2 weeks, and I'm waiting and seeing. You know, I am enthusiastic. I'm optimistic. I'm happy that, yeah, we got some green, and, you know, everyone's feeling a lot better after 2 weeks of red. But it could potentially go lower, and you still want to have some cash, you know. I think a lot of people have learned over the last 2 weeks that the importance of having a good cash pile, and, you know, you need at least 15 to 20% cash on the ready, because we just never know what the market's going to throw at us. So is this a dead cat bounce? Probably. If it isn't and it continues higher, I'm happy, because I was buying over the last 2 weeks. But if it continues lower, then I've still got some cash ready, and I already know what companies I want to buy. So whether it's a dead cat bounce or not, I'm ready. Do you know what I'm saying? And that's kind of how you want to be prepared for all eventual outcomes. So yeah. How are we looking? So okay. So some of you guys are buying Roblox tomorrow. Okay. What's the valuations? Does anyone know what the valuations are for Roblox? Okay, so it's 29.5 billion at the valuations at opening. But I mean, we've seen it with so many IPOs. Well, last year they would set the valuations at the beginning, and before we get our hands on it, it's probably up 100%. So I would be very careful on Roblox. You know, if you are planning to buy the Roblox IPO, maybe set your maximum price, how much you're willing to spend, and if it goes over, then, you know, just wait for a dip, because we saw it with Airbnb. I wanted to buy Airbnb at the IPO, but it just got silly. Airbnb got silly, but look what happened at the IPO. So Airbnb came up, it as it IPO'd. Where's the starter price? So it went up what, 11%, 13% on the IPO, and then look what happened. It crashed another 16, 17%. So if you are planning to buy the IPO, you know, have an idea of what you're willing to pay for Roblox, and whatever it is at the starting price. Most times companies do pull back. Okay, most times companies do pull back, and they'll present with a much better buying opportunity. There's a lot of hype around the Roblox IPO, and I expect it to fly tomorrow. You know, I expect it to fly, and just be patient. Just be patient. Don't rush it. Don't overpay for the company. Okay. Where are we at? So yeah, Roblox. It should be on trading 212. Roblox should be on trading 212. Okay. So what about EHang? I think EHang had a strong day today. Where is it at? I won't even lie. I sold EHang. I took my profits. I took a small amount of profits on EHang, and it had, I don't know. It's looking like a dead cat bounce though. EHang. I'm not bullish on EHang. I'm more bullish on Takeoff. Ticker symbol is TAKE. TAKOF, takeoff. So that's drone delivery Canada. And again, we're entering into buying territory, in my opinion. You know, you can see it's at multi-month supports. Yeah, I'll give it about that because it's tested it there, broke through, and then support here. So I like drone delivery Canada more than I do EHang, just because of the short seller report. But EHang is a solid company as well. Where are we at? 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 Okay, so Unity, so Roblox direct listing. Okay, HCMC. How did I know you guys are going to bring up HCMC? I hope you guys have subscribed to their Twitter page, their new Twitter page. But yeah, HCMC, it's not done a lot today. It's not done a lot today, considering it was a green market. Hasn't done a lot, but it's not gone lower, I guess. So we just got to keep watch of HCMC. What else are you guys? What do you guys want me to look at? Let me know in the chat what you want me to look at. Got about another 10 minutes, then I gotta go. But so yeah, so okay, the Dan average down on Tesla, Sens, APXT now dimensions, and Neo. How is Neo doing today? Because obviously Tesla was on fire today. Where's Neo? Decent day for Neo. Did anybody buy the dips? Did anyone buy Neo dips apart from my brother there? Did anybody? Yeah, so Neo's, you're looking at about what, 10% on the day. Not bad, but considering, I mean, Neo got destroyed off its highs. Yeah, 46%. Wow, 45%. Yeah, call it 45, 46%. But yeah, Neo got destroyed. I mean, for me, loading zone for Neo, I want it sub 30 in the low 30s. That's where I want to load up on Neo. But did you buy the dip on Neo? I think Neo's a good company, to be honest. I like Neo. So Neo's up 18% today. Been a great day. Yeah, Darren. We love days like today, Darren, because of red days. You know, if we didn't buy in the red days, green days wouldn't taste so sweet. NAKD. Okay, so that was a swing trade for a lot of our Discord members. Naked Brand. How are we looking today? It's flat. Didn't really do much today. It's flat for the day, right? Let's check. NAKD stock. Where is it at today? 4%. Yeah, 4%. We got what, 1 minute till market close. Naked didn't really do much. It was a swing trade. Yeah. All right, let me know what you guys are doing. So, okay, Neo overpriced for my taste. What, Zach? What's overpriced? What, you think Neo's overpriced? Can you have a look at CleanSpark? I bought. Okay, so CleanSpark, we got into CleanSpark in my Discord quite early when we had that pullback a couple of months ago. Where we at? There's CleanSpark. Let me bring it up. Yeah, CLSK. Decent day. Again, where are we at? So it's down quite significant from the highs. I sold majority of my CleanSpark position when we broke $40, and I notified all of my Discord members. Yeah, but it was down 50%, but I had a great run today. I do think we could potentially get back into the 40s, but be prepared because it is at a key level right now. Let's bring up the key support. I'll give some. Yeah. So again, what I try to do when I'm setting support levels and resistance levels, I like to see an area where price has touched and tested multiple times. So as you can see here, it's tested this level quite a few times and it broke through that level today. So if it keeps up that momentum, then of course you can see it approaching $40 once again. Like I said, I informed my Discord members. I got out at 40, took my profits, and I'm very, very happy. But I do think this company could do well in the long term. But it just wasn't a high conviction play for me. CleanSpark wasn't a high conviction play. I took my profits and I loaded up. Okay. So RVP Retractable Technologies, I am a massive bull on. It's been beaten up, and I don't understand why it's been beaten up recently. I know the market has been red, but this company, for what they do, for the times that we're in right now, and for the type of revenue and earnings we expect, I believe the revenue and earnings is next week, or is it on the 20th of March? These guys are going to crush it. All right. These guys are going to crush it. And I think once Wall Street has a look and sees what Retractable Technologies are pulling in numbers wise, they might start to put some respect on their name, because right now they're not putting any respect on their name, and had a decent day today, nothing special. It is down quite significantly. I remember when in my Discord, I alerted my Discord when we entered into the 20s. Some of us started taking profits. I held on only to see it pull back. Where we at? Another 40%. So yeah, not the best. Okay. Where we at? Oh, there's a lot of messages. Coming in. Let me try and catch up if I can. Where are we at? Okay, so DSGT green. Did it finish green? DSGT has been winding me up the whole day. DSGT has been winding me up the whole day. It finished green. Look at it. It's a joke of a day, to be honest. Considering we have proof of concept, and Nikola is up 8%. And what did Nikola do? Nikola rolled a truck down the hill, and they're up 8%. Yeah. DSGT, we got deliveries of the okay, granted that the vehicle looks awful, but we got deliveries in, and what do we get as a return? 0.7%. But hey, it's a green day. So we'll take that. Okay, so what do I think about CIDM? I haven't heard of Have I heard of CIDM? Where's that trading on the Nasdaq? Okay, so okay, oh wow, what happened to CIDM? It's got destroyed. Yeah, it's down quite significantly. I need to look into this company. I haven't heard of this company before. But from a chart point of view, again, it's also been beaten up. But I haven't done any DD on CIDM. Gained £700 today. Nice. Zomedica, Zom. So Peter, with Zom, we've been in and out of Zom, haven't we? We've been in and out of Zom recently. Made some nice game. Made some nice games on Zomedica. And he had a decent, also it's back over too. Okay. Because remember, with Zomedica, we have that Trueformer device. So the main catalyst for Zomedica is still towards the end of the month. So don't forget, the Trueformer device is coming up, and we could start to see some volume pick up in Zomedica. So Zomedica looks like a nice potential swing trade if you are looking to swing trade it up in the run up to the Trueformer device. But again, I would want to put a tight stop loss, because although we did have a green day, it could be a dead cat bounce. And like we've seen already over the past 2 weeks, penny stocks get destroyed. All right. So if you do want to play Zomedica once again in the run up to the catalyst, the Trueformer device on the 31st of March, just set a tight stop loss. Okay. Where we at? Okay. But overall, yeah. So I think overall, everyone is looking good. Everyone seems happy with how today turned out. But just be prepared. There is such a thing as a dead cat bounce. Okay. And the only way to be prepared is to have enough money. Okay. Get your cash pile up, stay liquid, and take advantage of these deals. And days like this are much nicer and much sweeter because we were buying in red days. So that's really about it. That's all I wanted to say. I just wanted to come in and see how you guys are doing. Check your temperatures. Make sure none of you guys sold. Make sure you guys took advantage of the red days, and it looks like you guys have. So that's about it, guys. I hope you guys have a great week. So don't forget, tomorrow we're going to live stream Tattooed Chef's earnings tomorrow. If you are a Tattooed Chef investor, it will be lovely to see you on. I think it's after hours. So Tattooed Chefs, we're live streaming the earnings call tomorrow after hours. Make sure you are there if you are a Tattooed Chef shareholder, or if you just want to check up on Tattooed Chef, maybe you're considering buying it because it is at a decent price right now. Let's see how Tattooed Chef did today. It is at a decent price right now. Yep. So if you do want to check up and see how we're doing in Q4 and also the full year of 2020, check the live stream tomorrow, jump in, and if you do fancy picking up a couple of shares, then after tomorrow might be a good time. So yeah, tomorrow after hours, we're going to be live, Tattooed Chef's live stream for the earnings call, and I would love to see you there. All right, guys. So have a great evening, have a great night, and I'll see y'all tomorrow. Peace.